Hello friends, this is Virginia and welcome to Desert View Studio. In this video, I am making bathroom corner crate using Jenga blocks. For this project, you will need a total of 75 Jenga blocks and 12 square cubes. Step 1. You will glue 9 Jenga blocks in this direction. You will need a total of 4 panels. And after that, you will glue all 4 panels together as you are seeing here. Moving on to step 2, you will need 12 sets of 3 blocks. Glue them in this direction. This is a dry fit. Cut at the green mark to fill in the gap. And repeat the same step on the opposite side as well. Altogether, you will need a total of 6 pieces or 3 Jenga blocks. You will then glue the small pieces in this direction as you are seeing here. Allow all these pieces to dry before moving on to the next step. Here are all the pieces that you will need to complete this project. You can leave them in a natural color if you like. Here I'm using the speckling to fill in the gaps. However, this step is optional. Sand down and clean the surface well. After that, install the cubes at all 4 corners. Glue the 3 blocks on both sides as you are seeing here. And both of the opening sides, you will use the longer piece. And for the second layer, add the 4 square cubes and repeat the same step as you did earlier. Here is an overview and a close-up look of a finished small crate. At this step, you can leave it in the natural color, stain, or paint if you like. For this project, I prefer to paint, and the color that I use is called fuchsia. Give it time and allow the paint to dry before moving on to the next step. And here is another close-up look after I sand out the crate. I really like this look and the result came out great. The color came out very nice. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my channel. Here is some of the idea that can use this crate for in the bathroom. You can store in a live plant or place small bottle of lotion or makeup brushes as you are seeing here. Once again, thank you so much for stopping by and watching this video. Until next time, bye for now.